Hi, I'm Dr. Holly. I'm a licensed therapist and entrepreneur mindset coach. I give Teachable about a 3. And for more reviews like this, click below. As a coach, I have online courses that I was looking to identify a platform where I can house them, and Teachable was one of those platforms. And that's what the problem was, just trying to identify exactly a good platform that works for me. And so again, Teachable can recommend it. And so I opened up an account, and I played around on the back end trying to actually use it as a platform to house my online course for my clients. What I liked most about Teachable is the layout of it. I felt like the layout was really bright, engaging, fun. I liked the tutorials that was there for me when I, actually, needed help. I found that it wasn't quite user friendly for me. I felt like the prices for the packages were not competitive. I felt like the service and the things that I was looking for, I was able to find them on other platforms that were well within my budget. Um, I felt like um, with the tools that were there, even with the tutorials, I just wasn't getting the layout that I wanted for my online courses. So I just really kind of played around with it to see how far I could get within the platform, and it just wasn't a good fit for me and what I wanted my clients to see as an interface and use it as a platform. So I didn't stick with it.